Teddy Crocker say, of all the places I've traveled throughout the world, nah, I'm just kidding. I've only been in North America. But let's just say I did decide to go in the regions that surround the Nile River. This is probably what I would see upon arriving and going out to meet the people out in the marketplace. But then again, maybe not, because as I'm told, this is exclusively an original. Behold, Mummies in a Blanket. The concept is nice. You agree? No, this is not sterile wraps from your local hospital. This is in fact biscuits, butter biscuits at that, from your local Walmart, wrapped around healthy turkey franks. They're uncured, so I believe this constitutes a keto diet. And who better to make keto food than Planet Fitness's very own Geli Holmes, who is appropriately dressed in Egyptian garb. Part 2 of the Mummy in a Blanket, a new Egyptian cuisine by Geli Holmes, Tony Holmes' wife. Well, these mummies have come out of the oven, and they look immaculate, wouldn't you say? As we said earlier, these were turkey hot dogs and Walmart butter biscuits. With a few slits with a knife, Geli has turned them into bona fide mummies for this Halloween 2018 venue that we're about to partake of. Break out the drinks and break out the appetites. More will be revealed. And love that Teddy Crocker.